Just wanted to show you how to place custom fields, data, onto the front page of your website. This was not my original intention. I was just looking for a back-end plugin to be able to make a checklist that I could use underneath the initial post text area, because I wanted to have anyway, what I ended up finding was something a little bit better, and how I did it was we're using two plugins here. One is called Custom Field Suite, and the other one is called Shortcode Execute PHP. This one creates shortcodes, and you put your PHP code into a shortcode and then run it from whether you're on a post, a page, custom post, widget, whatever. And let's take a look at installing these. The custom field suite is available here. Right there. You'll notice I've got it installed already. First thing I do before installing any plugin is I look at their details. I look at whether it's new, running on the 3.31, when was the last time it got updated, how many downloads, and whether it's got any ratings. And usually if it's recent, it's got some good ratings, probably is okay. So I've installed that one in, and the other one we were looking for was the executable Shortcode PHP one, and there again I've got it installed. I again looked for the details. There we go. It's pretty recent, runs on current WordPress, lots of downloads, high ratings. So I had to learn a little bit of stuff here, but after you install each of these plugins, the first one you do is the custom field suite, and what you do is you create a group of fields. This creates obviously custom fields. I've already created a group. We do an edit, and you get to add fields to that group. These are custom fields, and this is what I'm going to call it. Some text about this client. I'm going to change this to client information, name of the group. Some text about the client. We're going to change this to a text area, and we're going to save that field. This group of custom fields I can either add to a post or a page or both, and you can add it so that only administrator can look at these fields or other users. You can add these custom fields directly to an individual post, and you can link this to another paid plugin called Gravity Forms. We update this. Now we can go look at the post. There's a client's name post. There's that client information that I put on there. There's a first name. You remember I had it as George Burns. We're going to change this to Peter Frampton, and some text text. We'll put some text in here too. And we'll say pays quick and never complains. So this is custom field data. Okay, we're going to update that. Okay, now you'll notice that I've got this client name in here. I'm going to take that out for now, and we're going to update that. So now we're going to go over to the shortcodes, and in order to put that data onto a page or into a widget, which we'll see later here, you need to go to Tools, go to Shortcode, and this plugin allows you to put shortcodes into your widgets or not, and other features. These are all just the editing things. And here's some shortcodes, and here I've pre-built the client name. This is all PHP code here. You do not have to put in the opening PHP stuff in here. It's assumed. You have to put that global CFS in there, and then you have to do the get the field, put in a space, and so there's the 3 codes that you need to have into this shortcode to be able to run. If we just run a test, it'll come up with a little window here, and it says Peter Frampton pays quick and never complains. Okay, so we're just going to save that, make sure. So now we go back to the post, and here's that post we were working on. And so now we want to enter that shortcode, and it puts a button in there to get that code. We can find it right there. We insert that into there, and we can update the page. Now we can go view that post, and here we are out on the front end, and it says Peter Frampton pays quick and never complains. Now this is on the front page. We'll go back to the home and see there's Peter Frampton pays quick and never complains because I put it into a widget there. So pretty simple. Got to learn a few things. It's using 2 plugins. One is called Custom Field Suite, and the other one is called Shortcode Exec PHP.